Hello everyone, here I am explain how to desolder a command from a PCB. Here this is a PCB of an SMBS. We are trying to remove some transistors, capacitors, resistors from this board. First we try this electrolytic capacitor. First apply some flux to it. Then using the soldering iron and the desoldering pump, remove the solder from the board. Do not apply extra force to the board, it will damage the board. Solder is removed from this board. We are trying to remove the capacitor. Pull it by using the fingers and desolder the old soldering. The capacitor is removed. This capacitor, it don't get any damage. Then we remove this large diode. First apply some flux to it. Then using desoldering pump and soldering iron. It is hot because diode leg is very large and it conduct more heat. One leg is more than other leg. Okay, we remove the diode without any damage. Then we try to remove the large transistor. The transistor removal is very difficult because high heat causes the damage to the transistor. So desolder with care. First apply some flux to it. Then using soldering pump and desoldering pump and soldering iron for remove the old solder. No extra heat. Extra heat will damage the transistor. Yeah, it is perfect. The one leg is okay. We remove the transistor from the board without any damage. Okay, I am believe that you are able to remove any component from any board. Okay, thank you.